Okay, so now let's talk about the next homologous series, which is alcohol, right? So alcohol has a suffix of "ol", which is "ol". An example can be methanol, can be propanol, can be whatsoever. Yeah? And the functional group is hydroxyl group with a structure that will look like this. Right. Sure. And this hydroxyl group now, or basically alcohols, can be subdivided into 3 types. So types of alcohols, there can be 3 of them. We have primary, we have secondary, we have tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. So what is the difference between those 3? So the difference is in the fact that when this is basically the definition of these different types of alcohols. So we say here that the carbon attached to the hydroxyl group is the carbon carrying OH group. This hydroxyl group, it's OH. Okay, let's use a different color here. It's OH. So the carbon, this is the OH that we are talking about. So the carbon carrying OH is bonded to, we're gonna say here, one other carbon. Here, 2 other carbons. Here, 3 other carbons. And how does that happen? So, with primary, you will have something like, it's usually at the end or at the beginning. Okay. So it's something like this. The carbon carrying the functional group, which is OH, is bonded to one other carbon. But now, when we talk of secondary, it's bonded to 2 other carbons. So it will be something like that. So the carbon holding the OH is bonded to 2 other carbons, while in tertiary it's bonded to 3 other carbons. So it's going to be something like that. So the carbon holding the OH is bonded to 1, 2, 3 other carbons. So that's how you're going to be defining the alcohol, or basically the different types of alcohols. And it's there in the equation paper. I can promise you that it's there. You will be asked to differentiate these types of, or basically not differentiate, but you can be given an alcohol and they will be like, okay, tell us which type of alcohol is this and why do you say that, you see. So it's very, very important to know and understand. Now let's take an example of